What's happening, guys? It's an awesome day here in Christchurch and I've got a pretty cool video for you guys today. So if you remember a while ago I did a video on Jaden's red R32, the one that caught fire. Well, he's got a car club and he's about to pick me up and we're going to go and check out some of the cars in the car club, and then a couple of them are going to be coming back to my workshop and we're going to be doing what we do best in that workshop, and that's doing some good burnouts. So stay tuned. Look what showed up. How's it going, mate?
Good, brother. How are you?
Good. Yeah, it's changed a bit since we last seen it.
Oh yeah.
Big wing now.
Oh yeah, a bit more slant, a few more upgrades, a few more, get it there.
Alright guys, what's up? We're parked here with Brother Joel. Got a few of our members' cars here. Just thought we'd do a little bit of a showcase, show you guys what we've got, show a few of our members' cars off. Unfortunately, a couple of our members couldn't make it today, but we'll do with what we do and we'll show you some sick whips.
So we'll just go through a couple of the cars and get a little closer up and see what sort of cars are here, obviously what these guys have and what they're running. There's definitely some cool cars here, so yeah, we'll go check them out.
Hey man, my name's Lewis. So in case you didn't see in the first video that where Jaden shot, basically it's a 25 Neo, factory engine, running the 5-speed big box, and pretty much the equivalent of an AR70. It's a DSR 430 turbo. It's got a redline intercooler, adjusties. It's all certified for the wide body, the adjusties, wheel spacers. I don't know what else is on here, but yeah, it's all certified for it. I've got them out at the moment, so it's actually going for a warm. Got some plans to hopefully get all the little nicks and bits on the body sorted, because this is all fiberglass actually. The whole thing has been oversized, so yeah, there's a few lines in that I want to get out. I want to get a proper paint job done on it, hopefully a bit of a set out here so the fuel cap lines up and all that, so actually it looks like a GDR, but yeah, we'll see what we do with it, and hopefully that comes together in the near future. Aside from that, it's all pretty much factory on the inside, aside from the stereo setup that I've got there, but yeah, factory interior. Sweet, man.
All good.
Hey, I'm Bernie. This is my R33 40th anniversary. Pretty much it's a factory 25 deck, series 2, running red jacket coil packs and just a boost tap. Factory as, it's got tainted adjusties, 18 by 10 inch rotors. Other than that, it's just had a bit of chassis work done, so it's straight as fuck underneath. I've got some brides at home. I've got a top mount manifold and turbo at home as well. Need to get a front mount intercooler. Yeah, collecting a few bits and then pretty much
Alright, so we got another member's car here, but Bernie's going to do the talking about it.
So this is Alex O'Neill's R33, factory 25 there. It's actually still got its big box in the back. It's got brand new red jacket cool packs. Got your front mount intercooler, 10 adjusties, all arms, everything's suited, fully legit. It's running rotor 18x9s on the front and 18x10s on the back. It's got a full exhaust system, HKS buff out, all the usual nicks and knacks, but yeah, she's a pretty clean 33 this one. And the plate actually stands for off the hook, not off deck, just if anyone was wondering.
Alright, my apologies for the wind noise. We picked a spot that I thought was going to be a bit better for wind noise, but unfortunately not. I still don't have a proper camera, still only filming on my phone. But we're pretty much done now. We're going to head to my workshop and a couple of these boys are going to do some good burnouts. Alright, before the RB does a skid, quick zip tie fix. She's sorted now. Fan ain't going anywhere. Alright, so first two cars done now. Laurel went fucking hard, 4th gear. But now Jaden's up. We did the video a while ago, and since then a few things have changed. So we'll just quickly go over it and yeah.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. Jaden here, Midnight Drifters Car Club. Yeah, just go over 32 a little bit. A few of the things that I've done since Joel's last video. Starting at the rear since we're here, put the big drift wing on it, give it a bit of a drift spec sort of look. Yeah, fuck, I love it. Gives it that definitely drift spec look. Gone over the suspension since last time. So far I've chucked in rear camber arms, front camber arms, and I'm running Silverstar Neo Max's adjustable suspension all round, so that'll be getting ready for cert. Also, what else have I done to it? Interior hasn't changed, that's all still the same. Still need to hook up hydro handbrake and stuff. Now we get to the heart of the beast. Since last time I've chucked the oil catch can on, so hopefully we don't got any more fires today, boys.
No more fires.
I've changed the turbo setup, so I've gone from a side mounted 25D setup to top mount AR70 from Osaka Imports, so just a cheapie, nothing too special.
Yeah, definitely a good upgrade. It'll be better once you're tuned, obviously. Like you said, you got a tune booked there.
Yes, I've got Jeff Dixon booked in for 10th of December, going for a road tune with him. If you haven't heard of him, hook him up on Facebook. RB legend, he definitely knows what he's on about. Yeah, what else? I've got front facing plenum and that to go on it. Just pretty much tidying it up, as you can see, just RF beat a little bit, wires everywhere in that, so I definitely want to go over all of that, tidy it up a bit.
Yeah, she's a bit messy. Sweet, alright, well, back her up and
Let's get into it, boys.
mate, I said no fires.
What can I say? It's RB boys. It's a ticket.
turn it back on, don't turn it off. Alright, the 32 caught fire. Make sure you don't catch this one on fire. Right, so I don't know how this is going to look because it's a new camera. I don't know how close or far away it is, but got Carlos here in his Miata doing a skid. He's not part of the car club, he's a mate of mine, but yeah, so we'll see how this goes. So this is your new Miata.
Check out my dash, mate. Check it out. It's beautiful, isn't it?
This is amazing. Time for some 1JZ non-turbo auto goodness. The 1JZ Cresta. Fuck, look at these tires. That's munted. Wow man, that was fucking good. Alright, so skids are all done, cleaning up. These guys are changing the wheels. And this is the massive pile of rubber from today. That's awesome. Massive chunks and shit ripped off. Alright, so that's it. Skids are all done and yeah, pretty good turnout. So these guys have just started a YouTube channel, so definitely go give that a follow.
Alright guys, remember to follow us YouTube, Midnight Drifters Car Club. Follow me on Instagram, sleek_20det32. Also follow us on Instagram, midnight.drifters. We'll see you out there.
I'll chuck links for all that shit in the description below, so go check it out and catch you guys next time.